Hi everyone! For today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to add custom font in your Canva mobile application using your mobile phone. So if you want to know and learn more, make sure to finish this video. First, we need to ensure that we have already downloaded the mobile application Canva into our mobile phones. Once we have it, we will need to head on to our Google Chrome application. So we need to go in there. As we go to Google Chrome, we need to search for font download. And then we will be searching fonts. We will click or anything in here, but I choose to click the first one. And then you will be given choices on whatever kind of font that you would like to download. I think I would choose Mikela, and I download that, and it's already downloaded, so we need to open that file. Okay, and then extract it. We need to click on extract. Wait, and it will be finished. Then we need to go back to Canva application, and as you can see, if this is your home page, you can see on the left side top corner of your mobile application there's 3 lines in there, so you need to click on that. Once you click on that, you will see the brand hub in here, so you need to click on that. And then you need to scroll down to find fonts. Alright, so once you delete it, we will be going to add something. So we need to click on the plus button in here at the right side, plus, then upload a font, then choose files, and we need to find the file that we have downloaded a while ago. So we've downloaded the Mikela, so this is it, nt_Mikela. So click on that, and then we need to click on this nt_Mikela and confirm the following. Yes, upload away, and I'll wait for a couple of seconds. It's uploading. So, and yeah, it's uploaded. So in here, so that to be able to find that later on, we need to click on title and then type on Mikela. So this is it, so click on that and click save. Then we need, or let's try to make a project so that we can see if it's already added as a font. So we need to head on to our home page, and then let's try to make a thumbnail. Let's try thumbnail, add button. So let's try to make a project and click on the plus button, then add some text, add text box first, and then let's type font. As you can see, this is not the font that we have downloaded a while ago, so we need to click on that, and then here it will be some choices, and you need to click on font. Then we will be searching for Mikela. As you can see, this is that we have downloaded a while ago, Mikela demo bold, and that is already added. So let's try to add some text. And that's how it is. So that's how easy to add some font in your Canva mobile application using your mobile phone. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to click the subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get updated on our latest updates. Thank you for watching.